Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel, Saurav classes. Today I am going to take a lecture on health of tribes in Jharkhand. So let's start it. As we all know that health is wealth. It is necessary for every human being to live healthy life. But in Jharkhand, which is broadly dense populated by tribes, we are suffering from malnutrition. Actually, health is the state that person build overall development such as physical, social, mental and spiritual. For good health, everyone need sufficient food, fresh water and balanced diet so that individual can live disease free life. In Jharkhand, tribes population will suffer in health due to uneducation. Actually, education is a supplement to health because educated person can easily understand how to be healthy as well as precaution for good health. There are 32 kinds of tribes live in Jharkhand and maximum population where still live in forest under natural ecosystem. They are dependent on waterfalls, ponds, etc. for water sources which are heavily polluted with arsenic, fluoride, iron, etc. Such polluted water may occur 30 kinds of disease and in such scenario without proper balanced food, clinical facilities, transportation service, tribes suffer with casual deaths. Tribe average age is less than national average of people because they have malnutrition, especially in growing child, as well as pregnant or newly delivered child's mother. Tribes have also some bad habits such as they consume hadia, mahua, tobacco, toddy, alcohol, etc., which will badly affect their health. Tribes were live in forest so that they have such of Ayurvedic of natural medicine skills. For example, A. For heart and BP diseases, they use Arjuna's bark. B. For cancer treatment, they use garlic and tulsi leaves. C. For kidney diseases, they recommended ashwagandha and ajwain. D. For TB diseases, they use adsa and bahera bark. For kidney stones, they recommended apal, apamal bale, bhuyi avla. F. For jaundice, they suggest kalihar kand, bhuyi avla, mango bark, etc. These herbs were very effective and good for health without any side effects. But nowadays, new generation forget all their conventional Ayurvedic knowledge. Tribe have also knowledge of musical instruments for instrumental therapy, such as tantu instrument for acupressure treatment, mouth and hand beating musical instrument for breathe, skin, and Parkinson disease treatment. But like Ayurvedic knowledge, tribe new generation will forget all such conventional instrumental therapy too. After such positive aspect, there were some negative aspects too which affect tribal health. There were lots of unprofessional doctor which was known as Jhola Chap doctors among tribes. They are uneducated and they believe in exorcism, conjuration, kind of such baseless treatment. Therefore, without proper clinical of professional treatment, they face premature death In Jharkhand, all districts were affected by Naxalism, and by this, it is like a barrier for development. Actually, Jharkhand is a dense with forest, and without education, they are encouraged to use or be a part of Naxalism as a weapon for their demands. The state government, always trying to develop state infrastructure such as educational institutions, road, electricity, and also tribal welfare programs to lift the status of tribal people. But due to such Naxalist activity, they faces lots of barriers in executing such program. In British period, when Britishers came to Jharkhand, they make school, hospitals, health awareness through Christian missionaries. These efforts make tribal life active because they adopt Christianity and they were educated. But some groups of tribal were benefited, but after independence several steps were taken by central government for tribal welfare. And after formation of new Jharkhand state on 2000, state government all policies were made after giving special attention to tribal welfare. Now we should see the conclusion of this topic. After throwing light on Jharkhand tribal health, we got the conclusion that Jharkhand state is highly populated from tribes, but because of uneducation, they were faces lots of difficulties on health issues. Actually, health is a supplement to education. An educated person can perform well either in health or any side of life. Government always trying to improve tribal health and education, but still it's a miles to go for achieving such goals. For today's class, it's just finished. We will meet in another class. Till then, goodbye.